Hello family, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all doing great. In today's video I'm going to share with you how to goddess box braids for beginners.
My hair is neat. Look at the scalps. Just say, oh my gorgeousness.
Have you subscribed to my channel though? If you haven't, I'll give you a few seconds to do so you can support me to create more videos. Did you subscribe? Thank you, and let's get straight to today's video.
Hi guys. The first thing I'm going to do is to divide my hair in half in the middle here. I'm going to section my hair into 3. Now I'm going to go ahead and divide this section a little neater, and for that, as usual, I'm going to go in with my toothpick here. You can use a sharp comb. I'm going to divide the section out, and then I'm going to go in with my comb and my brush. Divide it into 3 pieces. Halfway, as you can see, the braid is loose. Then right here I have 2 packs of braiding hair. Short hair, color number 1. And then right here, this is the size of braiding hair I'm going to be using. I'm going to add my needle, my crochet needle, add my hair in, close the latch, drag it through to the other side, remove the latch, drag half of the hair through to the other side while you hold the rest. So to make sure that the braid is not loose, since we crocheted the hair in, it will be loose. You can pull your natural hair just a little to tighten the braid. Yeah. And then now I'm going to divide the hair. Then I'll hold one piece of natural hair to each side of the divided braids. Then after that, I'm now just going to smoothen it, and then I'll braid my hair together with the braiding hair. So when you're doing this, you are going to need to take your time so you can add your hair to the braiding hair. If you're having any trouble with tucking your natural hair in, what you can do is braid the whole natural hair to the end. Yeah, let me do that. But when you're doing that, try to leave some space over here. Don't make it real tight. I mean like real tight. Make it tight, but a little medium tight, let me say so. You see, there is enough space for me to pass that through. For this method, I'm actually going to crochet only 2 pieces of hair in. Okay, what I'm going to do is to add the 3rd piece, so it can at least tighten my natural hair a little. You see the loose part that we left. So now we go in with the 3rd piece. You can pass it 1 or 2 times around. Since this is a braid, you can't pull your natural hair, you know. Yeah. And then now we are going to divide the pieces of hair again here, and then now I'm going to braid it in. And when I'm doing this, I tried my best to hide my natural hair that I braided. You see, it's on this other one right now, so I hid it in there. Now I'll just braid it through. So these methods are very easy if you're a beginner at braiding your hair, especially if you can't tuck in your hair, you can't grip the roots, you know. Yeah. Comb it out, detangle it. See, sure. Now you're going to braid your hair up. Just like that, just halfway. You see, now that braid looks good, right? Crochet the hair in. I just crocheted all the hair in. And then what you're going to do, now find your natural hair, the 3 pieces, and then now we are going to pull this, our hair gently to tighten this. Just pull all the pieces up, don't pull them once, you won't know which one is loose out of them. Now you're going to try to twist this so your natural hair is a little smooth, so it will blend in with the braiding hair. Try to smoothen or try to kind of twist, just to go like this. Now we divide the hair, and then you pick each piece of hair, piece of your natural hair, you add it to the first piece, the second piece, and the third piece, and then try as much as possible to hide it in again. Perfect. Now braid your hair through. When you're starting to braid your hair, do it gently, slowly, so you can pick your natural hair and add it in, and then you can pick the braiding hair properly. You can smoothen the braiding hair out again and again, so that your hair is not tacky after you finish it up. And then just braid your hair through to the length that you want. So right here in the middle, I have this braiding here that has brown heads. It's a mixture of brown and black. I'm going to mix it in together with the black.
You come to skeletons.
Okay. Okay, so I'm done after a while. I'm going to now finish the rest of my braids that I left undone. So moving on, I have some braiding hair here. I'm going to divide it into pieces as tiny as this, and then I have some straws here, milk straws. I'm going to hold it enough, and then I'm going to go ahead and put it over here like this. I'm going to try to twist it so it doesn't unravel, and then now I'm going to go ahead and roll it to the straw, just like this. And then when I reach somewhere close to the end, I'm going to go backwards, and then I'm going to make sure that I roll all the hair in like that. Another way that you can do this is not to hold the hair enough. Hold it around close to the hand here, and then you pick your straw up. Now you're going to start rolling it from here. Just roll it just like that, and then you can hold this part with the rest of the fingers, and then now go ahead and now work on this lesser side or the shorter side. Roll it going downwards or upwards, whichever way you want, and roll it until the end. That is when you need the curls to be more distributed here. And then now you can work on the rest of the hair. If you feel like the curls are going to unravel before you add them inside some hot water, you can use a rubber band to hold them tight in place, or you can use a string or a wool or a yarn. Yeah, you can use a yarn. The first way, you see how the curls are less distributed, but they're going to turn out just fine. And then right here, this is now the second way. The curls are from this side to this side, and then this one is a little shorter. So for me, let me go with the second way. I feel like the second way is going to be better for me. I already did a tutorial on this, how to turn braiding hair into kinky curls. Check it out on my channel if you want it a little detailed. Moving on, right here I have my basin. I'm going to go ahead and add my hair in, and then now I'm going to go in with my water. I'm going to let them sit here for a few minutes before I remove them from the water. So moving on, I have my towel here. I'm going to go ahead and lay my hair on it. I'm going to go ahead and dry them when they're still on the straws so I don't ruin the curls. Just press on it. I'm going to go ahead and remove them from the straws. Push them out. Look at that. Okay, so after I'm done, I'm now going to go ahead and apply some oil on my scalp. As you can see, I finished my braids. Actually, I've seen that if I separate them, since they're very tiny, it's remove them, so I'm just going to let them be. I'm now going to go in with some accessories. I have this in medium size, and then right here I have the tiny ones like this. Then I have them in silver and gold. I'm going to go ahead and now lay my edges. I have my nice and lovely clear gel here as usual. So right here I'm done, and this is how my edges look. I just need to let them dry for a few more minutes. My hair is neat, really. My hair is really neat. Look at those curls. They look good, you guys. Oh my goodness. Should I say, oh my gorgeousness? Thanks for watching. I hope you like this particular video and you try doing your own braids at home. They are very lovely. These goddess braids are looking good, whichever size you choose to go with. Provided it makes you happy, go for it. Yeah. And also remember to subscribe to my food channel. I've featured it right there on my main channel. Thank you all, those who have supported me throughout this journey since I started my channel and up to right now. If you're here with me, we are doing great. See you in my next video. Bye.